Down here at Wizard Race Cars, they finally got all the stuff that they were going to use off a shocker. So the wreck shocker, the old shocker, brought all my stuff. I'm going to get fit for a new car. So hopefully we get fit today. We're supposed to be here at 2. It's 4 o'clock. Everything that could go wrong went wrong today. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. You ever seen the lobby of this place? So, I said we're gonna use some parts out of the old car. Here's one of the bars here. There's another bar over there. It's there wasn't really much left of the old car that we could use. So, there's the seat. The raggediest part about this badass chassis is the seat, but kicked a lot of ass in that seat, so had to keep it. So far, we're gonna keep it. Jason hasn't taught me out of it yet. See how it goes. So this would be held kind of like the blower cars, just like a clamp.
Same basic setup. This is why I was wanting to tell you that I wanted to get the motor to make sure we had clearance for the dry sump pump and whatever else that we have to put on there. So I've not put any extra bars in here yet until, and I haven't put the diamonds in either until we know what's going to clear, what's not.
So not only is Jason tasked with the duty of building the shocker, but Adam is being kind of high maintenance. he's done got him to where he's designed this deal, Jason did, to where you can slide it from a 484 bore space all the way to a 5.3. Kind of like the old blower cars. Got the little clamp on it that holds the motor plate. Cool. We ain't gotta worry about spacers and washers and all that shit.
What I'll do is there's going to be a piece that goes in the back, so you'll just unbolt the mid plate, literally slide the motor forward, put the piece in the back, and then rebolt everything back in place.
Because I mean, the way it worked out was Larry would prefer the carbon doors, the other doors, and you would prefer the hairy glass carbon doors.
Yeah, I didn't like those doors there. I prefer the hairy glass.
I don't know if the hairy glass has got the invention for the door handle. I know the other ones did. That's kind of weird.
I think it does. I think they do.
It's kind of weird.
Because that was an old.
We almost need to do it, you know?
Yeah. Well, the hairy glass deal is, I'm sure that's the same mold they did when they had pro stock cars, when they were still doing pro stock cars. So the door handles and all shit.
So how do we do that? We make it to where it has a door handle and it has a...
It's up to you. I mean, I can eliminate it if you don't want the exterior.
Don't that make it... It's not legal if you don't have the handhold with the... Don't you have to have a handhold to open the door?
The only thing you're supposed to have the hole for legally, and that's really kind of more of an NHRA deal, is you're supposed to have a 4-inch hole for fire extinguisher. Yeah. That's so they can go up to it. It doesn't have to be by the door handle. It can be anywhere in the window. It just has to have a access hole. But if we do the exterior door handles, the interior door handle doesn't. It's up to you. If you prefer exterior door handles or interior, the old car had door handles.
Yeah, the old car did.
I would say let's go back on that. Why not?
That was one of the cool things about that. It made it look street. It didn't have the holes. It wasn't legal.
And I don't know what the rules are with the no prep kings or the way they're set out. They may not be as strict on that.
No Pro Kings usually goes by NHRA sanctioned track.
And I have to really look at the rules to be perfectly honest. Most of the time, I know Top Sportsman and Pro Modified and stuff like that require it. Something like this, would be considered an advanced ET type chassis, but it's not really a class.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's a class rule or if it's just a general regulation rule.
And that chassis guy says this is not considered Pro Mod. Last time I got picked for a car. Yeah. See, that feels a lot better.
Now, as far about to say, do you lock your arm? Or?
Yeah, I just put it right there.
Okay, inside this.
Yeah.
But so within an inch of this?
Yeah.
I can turn this back. Yeah. That ain't a problem. You got the material I can do that way. Yep. What about your leg?
As far as you can manage that way, you're fine.
Well, that's what I figured. Yeah. How are you feeling this as compared to shopping?
Pretty close.
About the same?
Yeah. I'd say pretty much just get as much through as you can.
Okay.
Because I mean, I can test the car all now, you know?
No, yeah, absolutely. I just want to make sure you got enough.
Yeah.
If we don't have enough, then we need to see what we got to do. Is that what that's this for? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but I'll get that shit back here. It's different.
It's different. It's like you locked in too.
It's kind of a good thing, like you said. I got the shit before this car. It's got a pedestal on it.
So in the middle is good? Basically in the middle of the frame?
What kind of window in that y'all put? Like it's like a push.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's got a little tab comes
Yeah.
down, just with a spring, just hit the button and it falls. We don't like the buckle thing, that sucks.
Helmet hook too.
Look at that tie strap. Yeah, tie strap, I forgot what it was at. Some little Chinese company, I forgot what it was, but I found the exact same cup like somebody. His YouTube video, he takes it with a hammer, smashes it on the middle table, strikes an arc, and welds it. That's about it. Where all roughly out right there.
So they use the good style. All right, well, here's a new car. This is where it's at. The guys are actually waiting on carbon fiber parts from Harry Glass. They shipped out yesterday. They'll be here Thursday, and they'll be rocking and rolling again. So sometime in the summer, the Street Shocker should be back and ready to race. So car's looking really good, man. It looks nice. A few things to show y'all. These adjustable strut cups. They're off the original car. Several bars in here off the original car. He actually wrote it on there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stencil it yet or not. Just I know it probably don't mean much to most, but just having a piece of the old car means something to me. So these guys care enough about that to do that for me. So I really appreciate that. But as far as the work I'm seeing here, man, stellar. Like, they're really doing a nice job. I can't wait to put this thing down the street and make these guys proud of what they built. So well, I'm sure we'll be back to give y'all another update because I got a lot of pieces and parts coming in, and that's what's holding them up. So as soon as all them parts come in, we'll give them 3 or 4 weeks and we'll be back. I'm sure y'all will see a car that actually looks like a car by then. So I guess we're gonna get out of here for now. This is what we got. It's coming soon. Coming a lot sooner than most thought. So we jumped on it as soon as the other one got wrecked. So it's won't be long.